Hello, I'm Sheng. Welcome to our booth. We are Narvitech, and welcome to ISE 2002. So, as you can see, these are our wireless presentation systems. And here is the transmitter, and we have two interfaces. One is Type-C, and another one is HDMI and USB. So, over there, there's the receiver UI. So, you just need to connect the transmitter to the device you are using, and then just one click, it will stream it to the receiver. So there's a little bit difference. You just need to connect to the device and no software running in the background. So you can connect to DVD players and laptops and document cam, and just plug it in, and you are good to go. If you are interested in our product, just visit our website, narvitech.com. Thank you.